Today we have come to the village of Khadak, Mir Khoso Pado, Union Council Sarod, Telka Kaloi, Thar Desert. And today we are inaugurating this hand pump. It is 1185th hand pump and it is donated by Mrs. Sarwar Hussain Illage for Sadke Jariya of late husband, late father Khwaja Mushtaq Hussain. It was received via Imran Bawani and today we are inaugurating this hand pump. It was donated by Mrs. Sarwar Hussain Illage for Sadke Jariya for her late father Khwaja Mushtaq Hussain. We were received via Imran Bawani. Muneer Welfare Trust has been working to provide sweet drinking water to water-starved people of Thar Desert since 2014. And our Thar support mission is still continue. क्या नाल है बाबा? शेर मोहम्मद घर न फुटन ते आयो है। ये कहते हैं कि ये 110 feet deep है and घना घर है ना? 5 houses are here to get drinking water from this hand pump. All are requested to come forward to help these water-starved people and deserving people of Thar Desert. The name of village is Khadak, Mir Hasan Khose Jo Pado, Union Council Sarod, Telka Kaloi.